Take us through some of the highlights for you out of yesterday's session and what your expectations are for the trading day ahead.
Thank you very much, Aisha. We have seen Standard Chartered stealing the show yesterday. Kenyan closed the bond yesterday, and we know that Standard Chartered is the receiving bank for the Kenyan bond offer. And therefore, we expect in the coming days that Standard Chartered is going to become a little bit more liquid than the rest of the banks. Perhaps investors are looking and anticipating this, and anticipating that Standard Chartered will make use of that liquidity to cash in on it. We also are seeing most prices coming down, and whenever prices come down, we do see some major investors coming in and cashing in on the bargain prices. As we saw yesterday, the trading volume increased significantly from the previous trading day.
Well, looking at the top traders, I mean, we are looking at the usual suspects. It's Equity, Safaricom, KCB. But what's interesting is that some traders have noted this reduction in foreign participation. Does that come as a surprise to you, given that globally we are starting to see emerging markets getting interest as risk aversion abates somewhat?
Sorry, come again. Repeat that question,
are you
please.
surprised at the pullback we're seeing in foreign participation in the market, given the fact that we are seeing, to an extent, some recovery in the global playing field?
Well, I mean, the foreign investors will take into account various risks before they come into a market. Yes, it's true that we have seen a decline in foreign participation. Though I would say that this is probably a cyclical thing, we still do expect foreign participation to come in, especially now that the prices are dipping and foreign economies are on the path of recovery. We expect in the coming days and coming weeks that the foreign participation will start increasing.
In the meantime, institutional investors and local investors are being expected to hold on to their cash positions ahead of the third quarter reporting season. What are your expectations for this upcoming earnings season?
The upcoming season, the quarter has just ended, is ending today. We expect many companies to be in the process of compiling their records. This past quarter, nothing exceptional has happened to warrant phenomenal growth. However, you know, of note is the Kenyan public offer on the bond issue. That is the only highlight I can remember. We're still expecting rainfall. This was a quarter that we saw power rationing coming into play, water rationing coming into play. So, and credit thinning out a little bit. So perhaps we expect modest returns from most financial institutions. So if we do see some financial institutions that record stellar performance, that will be a surprise.